Ça va, je veux pas. Je veux t'esquiver. So this is actually a palm kernel that's been crushed or called toto de palmis. This is actually feed for livestock. And these are bottles for bottling. This is what we recovered yesterday from the warehouse. It's been lying there for some time. So some guy is right there to stack them. This one here is kernel. It's kernel. Let's see how it comes. So this is kernel. Un jour, it's kernel. So what they do is this one here, it's actually a conveyor belt which takes it to the second oven here. And then this one here is the first oven. Its conveyor belt is right there and it's built like, yeah, it absorbs it here and then takes it into this one, the oven. So this is another conveyor for the second oven. When it's heated in the oven, they will actually pull these strings and then the kernel drops under like this. Once it is under here, what happens is that it's actually heated. This is a heating system. There's a fan, there's a pot where they will use firewood, and then this fan blows the fire into the oven through here. As you can see. So all the roasted kernel is poured in here. And then now this conveyor here, this one, the conveyor, takes it into this holder. This holder has three mirrors, one, two, and a third one right there. So this is some of the chaff, kernel chaff that has been crushed. This is dry one. Which is actually being transferred by this shaft into this blender here. Under normal circumstances, this is a spill which was not supposed to happen. Monsieur Raphaël, est-ce que les totos aussi devaient être sortis comme ça? Donc ça veut dire qu'il y a un blocage. Ok. Hein? Ah, le conducteur c'est. Okay. So this conveyor here that takes these chaffs into this mixer here is defective. That's why you see the dry chaffs here on the ground. If not, this dry chaffs should actually be back here. This is where they are back. Like you see the backs here. It's actually where they are back. The next step after extracting the oil by this engine, the oil is filtered into here and then it's connected to this pipe here for the machine one. This one is for the machine 2 and 3. And all of that is driven by the pump through this pipe here and is brought into the filtering system. This is actually the filtering system. Yeah? Once it is filtered, it falls here like you see this one. It's clean oil from the filter and it's brought into here. This is clean oil there. That's another filtering system here. So there are two filtering pots.